Hey guys, we're doing the dual jersey and the bonus gift for case 13. Random is live, 9:12, 19 PM Melbourne time. Do the Badley and Carter first, Kings Bulls, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the Bulls get it. Oops. And now the bonus gift for 13. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the winner is Jerome. Congrats. Copy that one. So there. Random complete here. I need the random 9:13, 20 PM. And here's the bonus gift for 14. Going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and Van Houten. There you go. Bonus gift. 9:13, 42 PM Melbourne time. Random complete.